EMAX Tinyhawk 2 75mm 1-2S Whoop FPV racing drone, RTF FrSky D8 Runcam Nano2 cam 25/100/200 mW VTX5A ESC. Hi, welcome my friend. Brand name EMAX, item model Tinyhawk 2, wheelbase 75mm, dry weight 31.2 grams, all up weight 43.5 grams with 1x450 mAh 1S battery. Frame material polypropylene. Motors stator size 0802 kilovolt 16,000. Propeller mount push-on Avant TH style. All-in-one flight connector controller. Receiver EMAX SPI receiver compatible with FrSky D8 model. Battery connector GST PH 2.0. VTX power 25/100/200 mW switchable. Channels 37 channels included. Race band camera Runcam Nano2 1/3 inch 700 TVL CMOS smart audio connected. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Thank you.